Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to give you a sneak peek at the kit I will be working with for the October 2024 Seasons of Creativity subscription from Country Craft Creations. So this is what I received to be creating the project and tutorial with. I'm so excited to be working with Graphic 45. It's one of my favorite paper collections, and I am using the 8x8 collection pack by Autumn Greetings. Now this is exactly what you'll be receiving in your box as one of the kits, and this is the one that I'm going to be working with. The other designers will be doing sneak peeks of their kits, so it's a really exciting time to take a look at what's coming up for October of 2024. So let's take a quick look at the papers first. As I said, this is Autumn Greetings, which is perfect for October time of the year. And this is the cover sheet, so I want you to remember to save that, because if I need to, I may do some fussy cutting of these leaves and pumpkins and things that are on the cover. So don't throw yours away. Be sure to keep those as well as with your other kit items. So this is the 8x8 size, and each sheet comes with the name on it, and I'm going to be keeping track of the name so I can tell you what pattern papers I'm using, so you'll want to be able to pay attention to that. You do get 3 sheets of each design of this 8x8, which is great for working on albums. So this first one here is fall foliage. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous grouping of fall leaves. So pretty. And then the back side, so here's the 2, so you have 3 of those, but the back side is this wonderful plaid, kind of a orangey golden color with green plaid. Beautiful, beautiful paper collection. Then this one is called Pumpkin Patch, and this is probably one of my favorites beside the leaves. I love these pumpkins and gourds with the dots and the white color of them with the leaves. Such a pretty, pretty print. And then the back side of that is the orange with the gourds and pumpkins etched into that. Really pretty. Then we have Change is Beautiful. This has all the wonderful little baby animals, the little doe and the little fox, little kit, I guess he's called, and the pumpkins and leaves, just gorgeous. It says delicious autumn and gather and be grateful. Autumn greetings. So this is gorgeous, and on the back side you have this field of pumpkins on the kind of orange gold. There's a stripe back in there, so it's really, really pretty. The next one is Cozy Up, which is your brown background with all this pretty floral on there, and then we get a brown check like that. I love that one. Then our cut aparts is called Gather and Be Grateful. Gather and Be Grateful. So we have all these different sizes. Here's your going this direction, and then the smaller ones. Autumn greetings. Oh, Autumn, so happy to see you again. That's the truth. Every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree. So pretty. And then the back side is like journaling or postcard image, autumn greetings. So that's pretty. And because you have 3, you don't have to worry about deciding. You'll get to use all of these if you want to on your projects. Then we have Happy Harvest, which is another pumpkin patch with the white pumpkins and the light orange blossoms with an orange background. It's really pretty. And then we get this fabulous orange check with it. That's the background. Then we have Thanks and Giving, which is the border sheet with all these stamp images and autumn greetings. Such a pretty border. And the back side of that is the iconic Graphic 45 solid with the lettering in white and some of the images there. Very pretty. And then Autumn Greetings is the last one, and this is some more cut aparts. This one right here is beautiful. I absolutely love this with the pumpkins. There's the Every Leaf Speaks saying again, and the back side is this wonderful green with the white dots. Very pretty collection there. So I'm excited to work with that. And then along with that, I also got in my kit some solid cardstock. Now this is from the Meadows Glow, and I got 2 of the Sunshine. You see 2 of those here, the yellow, 1 chocolate, and 1 ginger to work with. I believe Michelle's has also the same paper colors, but I got 2, 1, and 1. So that's what I'll be using with my project. And then, of course, I got 2 yards of this really, really pretty seam binding, which is called Fig Beige. Goes perfect with this. Look, take a look. Isn't that gorgeous? So that's the ribbon I'll be using on my project. And also, I'm going to give you a sneak peek at the tools. These subscription boxes always have tools, which is so much fun to get. Of course, you get your basics. You're going to get a sheet of foam dots, which this is to be used on all projects, not just in with this kit. So this is something that you can use on any of the projects that you receive in your box. But your tool this time got two different things. First up is this 6-inch Tonic scissors. Stainless steel blades, comfort molded handles. It's good for right or left-handed. And I'm excited to get these. I love a good pair of scissors. We can never have too many scissors. So that's going to be in your box. And then I'm really excited about this one. You're going to get the Tonic Studios cutting tool set, which is 2 tools. You get the, I don't know, they call it shredder. Anyway, it's for distressing your paper and cardstock. It gives it the altered, aged, kind of tattered look. There's 7 sharp recessed edges, and it's got a cushion grip center. And all of these come with a little lanyard so that you can tie it on there and hang it on a hook or around your neck if you use it a lot. This one, I have never used one of these yet. This is for cutting fibers, small ribbons, and other textile embellishments. So this is for cutting fabric. I see like a blade in there. It's got a wide cutting channel, and so you just use it to cut your ribbon. So that's kind of interesting. We're going to give that a try also. So that is your tools that you will be getting in the box to use on all the projects. I believe all the designers will be using the tools, and I can't wait to get started on this. Got an idea of what I want to make, a fun album. So if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're just now watching my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, head over to Country Craft Creations website and check out the subscription box. It is a box that is shipped out. You subscribe to it, and it ships out every 4 months. So this is the October 2024. And you'll want to check that out, and also check the website out for other supplies that you might want. So thanks so much for watching. I'm going to get busy on this project, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.